Upgrading to a new SSD or NVMe drive is easy, but moving everything over without losing your data or breaking your system is where things get tricky. Reinstalling Windows, setting everything up again, and transferring files manually takes a lot of time. Well, in this video, I'll show you how to move your entire system exactly as it is, like your OS, apps, and all your data, including partitions, to a new drive without reinstalling anything. And for this, I'm using a tool called EaseUS Disk Copy. I've used this software before whenever I needed to upgrade or migrate my drives. And instead of reinstalling everything, it lets you clone your entire disk in just a few steps. It's also designed to be safe and reliable, making sure your data is transferred properly without any issues. It also supports almost all major disk brands and works with different types of storage devices, including SSDs and high-speed NVMe drives. So no matter what drive you're currently using or upgrading to, the software is fully compatible. So to get started, head over to the link I provided in the description or pinned comment. This will take you to this page. From here, click on the free trial. It supports Windows 7 and above. Once it's done, install the setup file and complete the installation process as usual. Once you are in, you'll be on the interface, and here we get a pop-up saying a new SSD is found on this computer and asking if you want to migrate the OS to the new SSD. So let me show you. So here, this is my old SSD with Windows OS and an extra data partition. Now here, I want to exactly migrate or clone both of these into my new NVMe SSD, which is the D drive. Let me also show you in disk management. Here, disk 0 is my new SSD, and disk 1 is the main system disk with the OS and other data partitions, which you are seeing right now. So simply in the tool, go to disk mode. Here we need to choose disk mode, as I want to copy the entire SSD to my new SSD. Now select the source disk. Here is my disk 1 as the source. You can also load an image file if you have any backups. So select the disk. Now select the target disk where you want to copy the data. Here I'll select the newer SSD, disk 0. Select the disk. You can also preview the partition layout if you want. Then go to Next. Here you can see the disk layouts. The source disk can be exactly migrated to the target disk as shown, based on its size, including the system EFI boot partition and other data partitions. Make sure you have enough disk space. Here everything is auto-fitted, and you can also edit the disk layout if you want. Once you are okay with everything, click on Proceed. Here we get a pop-up saying that the entire data on the target disk will be erased. Now click on Continue to start the process. The process will take a couple of minutes based on the data size you have on the source disk. Here I'll fast forward this process. Alright, so here we get a pop-up saying if you want to boot from the cloned target disk, you'll need to set it as the first boot device. You can automatically adjust the boot order if you want, or you can manually do it later. If you want, you can directly reboot the system to load from the newer SSD. Well, I'll boot it manually from BIOS. Let me show you again in this PC. So you can see here the entire SSD partitions are migrated to the new SSD with the same assigned values, exactly like the system disk and data. Now restart the system. Let's boot the system into BIOS using the keys based on your manufacturer, or you can load into boot options. So let's go to boot. Here in boot priorities, I'll set the boot priority to my newer M.2 SSD, which I cloned right now. Now let's save the changes and reboot the system. Alright, it's loaded. In the same way, you can install, upgrade, and use this SSD on another system or laptop. Alright, it's booted. As you can see, all the apps and data are copied exactly as they were. Now let's go to this PC. And there we go. Right now it's running on the newer M.2 SSD, and these partitions are from the older SSD, and it works well without any issues. And if you are still using older hard drives, this is a great choice to upgrade to SSD or NVMe drives. There are also other features in this tool, like system mode. If you want to migrate only the system OS to the target partition, as shown in the layout. Or you can manually select disk partitions and clone them easily in this mode. You just need to select your source partition and the target partition. We also have an emergency disk option. And if you want to create a bootable USB to fix a crashed system and clone your data safely. And there's a network clone feature, which is pretty useful if you want to clone a disk or OS from one PC to multiple PCs over a local network. This will boot the target PCs via PXE. Well. That was a quick and simple way to clone your entire SSD without reinstalling anything. Everything works just as it should, and the process is honestly pretty easy to follow. So if you're upgrading to a new SSD or NVMe, you can definitely give this a try. Links are in the description. And if you found this useful, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.